To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications, YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this video, we will continue our lesson on requests. Now, request in the form of let me plus verb in English is given by lu be do or lu be di in Kannada. Okay? Lu be do or lu be di. Now, this request can be used for or in official situations to say you are going from one place to another, to say that you are going to talk to someone, to say that you are going for any work or activity. Okay? Now, lu merges with the verb, and bidu or bidi becomes the suffix in Kannada sentence. Okay? Lu merges with the verb and bidu or bd becomes the suffix. Okay? Let us see the examples and try to understand how it works. Let me eat. Let me eat. Now this is a request. Okay? Nanage tinnalu bidi or nanage tinnalu bidu. Nanage tinnalu bidu or nanage tinnalu bidi. Okay? Nanage is to me. Okay? To me. Tinnalu bidu or bidi. Verb here is eat. Eat is the verb, which in Kannada is tinnu. Okay? We have to add lu to the verb. Okay? But before adding lu to the verb, you have to bring it to a form. Okay? A. Tinnu should be made into tinna. If you see here and here, tinnu is made into tinna format from u to a. Okay? In all the cases, we bring it from u to a format before adding lu. So tinnu becomes tinna and then you add lu. Tinnalu. Bidu or bidi. Okay? Nanage to me. Okay? To me. Tinnalu bidu or bidi. Okay? Bidu or bidi means let. Okay? Let me eat. Okay? Let me eat. Now, bidu is there, bidi is there. Bidu is used on singular or single form or a single person, or if the person is a friend of yours, or if the person is younger than you, or if you think the person is inferior than you. At that time we use bidu. Okay? If you are talking to your younger brother or younger sister or anyone who is younger than you, then you can use bidu. Or if you are talking to your friend, then you can use bidu. Okay? Bidu. Whereas bidi is used to address strangers or someone who is elder than you. Okay? Or if you think a person should be paid respect, then you use BD. Okay. BD can also be used on a person who is younger than you. Okay. But you have just met that person. Let us say you have met a person and he is younger than you. At that time, you can use BD. BD. Okay. If the person is younger than you and you know him, okay, know him very well, like your younger brother or younger sister, then you can use BDO. Okay, BDO. Everywhere it is the same. The U format is used for youngers, okay, youngers or inferiors or single. Okay. BD is used for elders or strangers. This is a form of paying respect. So it is safe to use BD. BD. Now, BDO or U format is used on a single person in singular form. If there is only one person and you are requesting him to let you eat, then you can use BDO. If there are more than one, okay, let us say there are 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, 5 people, and you are requesting those 5 people to let you eat, then you use BD. BD. Clear? So, ನನಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಲು ಬಿಡು or ನನಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಲು ಬಿಡಿ. Let him sing. Let him sing. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. Okay. ಅವನಿಗೆ to him. ಹಾಡಲು. ಹಾಡು is sing. Sing is ಹಾಡು. You bring it to HADA format, A format. HAADU is brought into HAADA, HADA. Then you add lu, HADALU, HADALU, BIDU or BD. Okay, HADALU, BIDU or BD. Okay. Let her speak. Let her speak. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. ಮಾತಾಡು means speak or talk. ಮಾತಾಡು. ಮಾತಾಡು is brought into ಮಾತಾಡ format. ಮಾತಾಡ. Then you add lu and then you add ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. Okay. Now, this is not paying, if you use ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು, if you use this is not paying respect to this person. Okay. This format is paying respect to the person who you are addressing to. Okay. One is this person, her. Okay. One is this person. One is this person. Another is the person whom you are saying this to. Correct? You are saying this sentence to a different person and you are requesting that person to let her speak. Okay? Let her speak. And when you use bidu, it is paying respect to the person to whom you are addressing this sentence to. Okay? I hope it is clear. Let me play. Let me play. ನನಗೆ ಆಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಆಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. Verb here is play, which is ಆಡು in Kannada. ಆಡು is brought into ಆಡ format. ಆಡ. Then add lu. ಆಡಲು ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. Okay. Now when you say ನನಗೆ ಆಡಲು ಬಿಡು, ನನಗೆ ಆಡಲು ಬಿಡು, it is not that you are paying respect to yourself. By using this, you pay respect to the person to whom you are telling this sentence. Telling this sentence. Okay? Please let it go. Please let it go. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ಹೋಗು ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಬ್, ಗೋ. ಹೋಗು ಇಸ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಬ್ brought into ಹೋಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹೋಗ and ಲು, ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ, ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, please let it go. Now this is addressing a living thing, okay, because we have used adakke here, adakke. Maybe you are asking the person to let the dog go or the cat go. So please let it go. Please let it go. Clear? Please let them paint. Please let them paint. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕಲು ಬಿಡು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕಲು ಬಿಡು. Okay? Now for let them paint or let someone do something, you can add please. Okay? Please. Please let them paint. You can ask, you can tell them let them paint. That is also okay. But then you can add please before the sentence, which makes it please let them paint. Okay? In Kannada, please is ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. Them is ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ. Paint is ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕು, ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕು. ಬಣ್ಣ is color, paint is ಬಣ್ಣ ಹಾಕು. ಹಾಕು is brought into ಹಾಕ format, A. ಹಾಕಲು, ಹಾಕಲು, ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. Okay? Please let me see. Please let me see. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಲು ಬಿಡಿ. Verb here is ನೋಡು, ನೋಡು. ನೋಡು is changed into ನೋಡ format, ನೋಡ, and ಲು, ನೋಡಲು, ಬಿಡಿ, ಬಿಡಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು is please, ನನಗೆ is to me. Okay? Let me go to the market. Let me go to the market. ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಸಂತೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ to me, ಸಂತೆಗೆ to the market. ಹೋಗು, ಹೋಗ, ಲು, ಹೋಗಲು, ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. Let me go to the office. ನನಗೆ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. Okay? ನನಗೆ to me, ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ to office. Okay? Now generally we use the English word office itself. ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ, ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಹೋಗು, ಹೋಗ, ಹೋಗಲು, ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಕುಂದಾಪುರ್. ನನಗೆ ಕುಂದಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಕುಂದಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಟು ಮೀ, ಕುಂದಾಪುರಕ್ಕೆ ಟು ಕುಂದಾಪುರ್. ಹೋಗು, ಹೋಗ, ಹೋಗಲು, ಬಿಡು or ಬಿಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಹರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಟು ದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು. ಟಾಕ್, ಮಾತಾಡು, brought into ಮಾತಾಡ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್, ಮಾತಾಡಲು ಬಿಡು. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಟು ಹರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಹತ್ತಿರ. Okay? ಹತ್ತಿರ means near in Kannada, but in this context it means with the doctor or to the doctor. Okay? Let us go for lunch. ನಮಗೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಟು ಅಸ್, ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಲಂಚ್. ಹೋಗು, ಹೋಗ, ಹೋಗಲು, ಬಿಡು ಆರ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮೂವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮೂವಿ. ನನಗೆ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಟು ಮೀ, ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮೂವಿ. ಹೋಗಲು, ಹೋಗು, ಹೋಗ, ಹೋಗಲು, ಬಿಡಿ. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದೇರ್. ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಿಲ್ಲು, ನಿಲ್ಲು ನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. Click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.